Does your agency pass out a lead to an agent? Do you need them to receive a different commission level on that lead? Vacation Creations has a feature called alternate commission. We have an easy way to auto-calculate that alternate commission for that agent if they close the lead and get the booking. First, there are 4 things that have to happen. Number 1, you need to have that feature turned on, and you can email the support team or use the support button. Number 2, you need to set that alternate commission for the agent. And number 3, you need to make sure in the lead the way the origin is set to agency. And then 4th, that lead has to be converted by the agent. I will show you each of those steps. First, to email the support team, let them know. And then second, when you go into your admin section under System User and pull up that agent, you'll see where their commission is set at, and then you will set here that alternate commission percentage. In this case, this agency will give 60% commission to this agent if they pass them a lead. Don't forget to hit save. The next thing you're going to do is set up that lead. So go here to New Lead. Customer has just contacted you. You can add them new in here very easily. Put their email address in here. And save. Then they've called you, say, for a Carnival cruise, or maybe they don't know what kind of cruise it is, but we're just going to go with cruise, and we're going to assign that to Dan. He's the one that's going to make a different commission level on this lead. We'll go down here and choose Carnival because we're pretty sure that's what it is. And we might make mention here that they're planning on going sometime this summer between June 1st and August 1st. I can type any notes here that I want about what that client has told me. And then here we want to make sure the lead origin is set to agency. As long as this is set to agency, when Dan receives this lead, then he will receive that alternate commission level on it. You can also choose a source here, and in your agency you can add to this list and have a source of where it came from. Don't forget to hit save. Now, when Dan is signed in to his Vacation Creations account, he's going to see this little alert up here on the bell as long as he has turned that alert on. Click on it, see that the lead has been assigned. Then he's going to go here and see the lead. He can read about it, see when they want to travel, any notes that you've made. And then when he does close that lead, all he needs to do is click up here on the 3 dots and convert this to a reservation. Once he converts it to the reservation, then when filling out all the information, that alternate commission will be put in here for him, that other percentage that you have chosen. And that's all there is to it.